Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena, and if you're wondering why am I so decked up, so it's Raksha Bandhan today, and then I was just about to get ready. I thought, why don't I show you my Raksha Bandhan look? So it's going to be a simple but yet elegant look. So let's start now. So guys, first I'm going to prime my face, and the primer that I'll be using today is UCANBE face primer. So once I've applied the primer, I'm going to be using my concealer, and this is my all-time favorite concealer. It's the MAC NC42. So I'm just going to use my fingertips and I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to conceal all my dark spots which are here. You just have to dab it on your dark spot. So once that's done, I'm going to be using my foundation. This is the Maybelline SUPERSTAY 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm going to use my fingertips again. This makes it really easy to just apply the foundation. Before I get my foundation onto my hair, I'll just push my hair back. I'm going to apply the foundation on my neck as well. So I'm done with applying my foundation. I'm going to start with my eyes now, and for that I'll be taking this eyeshadow by ELEANOR. So I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. This will act like a nice base on my eyelids and will also highlight it. So once I've done that, I'm going to be taking this NARS kit. So this is the NARS blush and bronzer duo. So they have a bronzer and blush as well. I really like this color, so I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. I'm going to use my fingertip and take this color. Just apply it on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to be taking this shade here, the pink one. It's called the Flamingo, and I'm going to apply it with the help of a brush. So once I've done that, I'm going to take the previous ELEANOR palette again, which is this. I'm going to take the same shade. I'm just going to press it here on just the center of my eyelid. So guys, I'm done with my eyeshadow now. I'm going to be applying my liner now. So for that, I'll be using my favorite Maybelline gel eyeliner. So I'm just going to take my brush. So guys, I've just applied my eyeliner, and once I've done that, I'm going to go and apply my mascara. So for my mascara, I'll be applying this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. That's it, I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to start with my brows, and for that I'll be using the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. So once I've done that, I'll just give this more definition. I'll be applying the Benefit Browsing. I'm just going to take the powder one. So guys, I'm done with my brows. Now moving on to my blush. I'm going to apply the same NARS palette, and this is the blush that I'm going to use. This already has a little bit of shimmery thing. It's like a highlighter. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheek. Done with applying this. Now moving on to my highlighter, and the highlighter that I'll be using today is Wet n Wild highlighter. So I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose and my eyebrows. Now moving on to my lipstick, I'll be using the NYKAA palette. So guys, this is the NYKAA Sealed with a Kiss Bold and Beautiful Lip Palette. I'm going to be using this shade. Now I'm just going to give a little bit of finishing touches and I will show you my entire look now. So guys, this is my final look, but I forgot to apply my setting spray, so that's what I'm going to do now. And this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. That's about it guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoy your Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan, and let me know if you have any doubts about this look, and if you want to show me your look, you all can send me direct messages on my Instagram account. It's called Leena Official. And happy Raksha Bandhan, have fun, enjoy with your brothers and have a great time guys. See you again, bye.